Ilimu, Utako Kamboa.
What? What you say?
I said those are windows, young man. Should try making some. Might set you free.
Yep. I heard this since I was born. That's the way it is. I got my Jesus, and I don't need nothing else, including your new ideas. I don't need it. I got my Jesus. He gonna save me. He gonna come back one day. Okay, I know my grandmother said that he ain't come back when she died. And my great, okay, fine, he died. But this, he gonna come back. And who knows? It's a mystery. God don't tell you when the God in our, anyway, he don't tell you none of that stuff. Yeah, I heard what you said. Listen, I'm listening. I'm objective. My mind is open. But hey, I ain't gonna listen to this, because this is bullshit. Well, how do you know it's bullshit if you don't listen to it? Don't look. You know what? You troublemaker. Just get out of here. And of course, then I had been considered a person who burned bridges. I got the reputation as someone who burned bridges. I didn't burn the fucking bridge. I just told the truth. You burnt the fucking bridge. And I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. I didn't know there was, this scenario going on in your head. All I know is that I think it's bullshit. You asked me why, and I told you. So that's burning bridges, huh? I have questions. What's your question? Why is this? Oh, you're burning bridges. Don't ask questions. You just asked me to ask me if I had questions. I said, yeah, but don't ask that question. And don't ask it in front of everybody. You don't want everybody to get all their programs to get all messed up. You don't want to, send a virus, a malware. That's malware to their program, man. Shut down, guys. Let's shut down the computer. Keep this virus out of here. This computer virus out of here. Yeah. That's my life. That's my life, Maisha. That's my life. That's my history.
I see, yeah.
Guy who's always saying shit that nobody else wants to say.
Ilimu, Utako Kamboa.
What? What you say?
I said those are windows, young man.